Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're doing a little unboxing video here. As you can see, this is from Strap Mill Canada. They were kind enough to send over some straps for us to check out. So let's just get this open. Should be a quick video, and then I'll do a follow-up video with these straps on some different watches that I have. I'm not exactly sure what they sent over, so we can check it out together. All right, very cool. Looks like we have three different straps in here. I got leather and then seatbelt strap or NATO strap. See, it says right here, 1964 Bond thin seatbelt NATO watch strap. And this one's not labeled, but let's open it up. I will leave a link to their website in the description. Also, they have an Instagram account. So this, I would call this a two-piece NATO strap with quick release. So that's nice. I really appreciate quick release straps now. So a floating keeper here, and then the keeper there. Signed with Strap Mill. Let's take the NATO strap out of here. I guess I'll just cut it. Oh, there we go. I hope that noise isn't too bad for you. It feels like a nice quality strap. Very cool. Really appreciate them sending this over for us to check out. So I'll have to find some different couple watch heads and play around with this on them. So this one's not quick release. So 20mm strap. Actually, I'll pause the video, and I have a watch in mind for this. So let me pause it. I'll be right back. All right, so I have not actually released a video of this yet. Been unboxing a little while ago, but this watch came on this Hadley Roma strap, which is a lot dressier than what I would like. It does have the matching gold buckle though to match the gold fluted bezel and the gold crown there. But I like this style strap more. So just to give you an idea how it looked before. This is what it was on before, and this is what I have it on now with this Strap Mill Canada strap. So let me know what you think, if you like this strap better or the one it came on. Actually, I have a watch that I bought a while ago. Haven't done an update video on this either. I need to do one. It actually broke on me, but you can kind of see, get an idea of what I was going for here. So this is my Mito Commander. I bought it maybe a year ago. I really wanted a Datejust 16234, but those are, I think, like $5,000 now. Came across this one here, this Tudor Date Day, and picked that up. Anyway, sorry, I'm getting way off topic, but you can kind of see similarity there. So let me get this on wrist, and we can close out the video, and I'll upload another video with these featured on another watch. So yeah, let's put this on. Actually, I should. Yeah, I haven't been wearing this. Let me wind it up. Forgot the model number for this. If you guys want to know, I can look it up and I'll put it in the description. So I have a 6.5-inch wrist. I believe lug to lug on this is 44, 46, somewhere around there. So I'm in the middle of this strap here. I may be able to cinch it down a little bit more, but I'm looking forward to enjoying this watch on this strap. Yep, missed the keeper there. Let me know what you think of this color combination. I'm not so good at pairing watches and the straps yet. Usually wear them with what they come on. So as always, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, I appreciate it if you go ahead and do so. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of these straps here. Go check out StrapMail Canada's website. I'll leave a link in the description. And I'll talk to you guys soon.